Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematica. In this lecture we are going to find equation of a line when the intercepts are given. So first of all we will see what we mean by intercepts. So we have two intercepts, x-intercept and y-intercept. See, if we have this y-axis and this is x-axis, any line which is neither horizontal nor vertical will some place intersect x-axis as well as at some place to y-axis. Now coordinates of this point will be some d0 and coordinates of this point will be some 0c. Then this c is called y-intercept and this d is called x-intercept. So x-intercept is D means the point D0 is on the line. Find that this point D0 is on this line which we have to find. Similarly, y-intercept is C means the point 0C is on the line. Fine. So in this way, if we are given x-intercept, we are given 1 point on the line D0. If we are given y-intercept, we are also given 1 point on the line, that is 0C. And it may happen that we are given both, then we are given 2 points on the line. So let's see. Slope-intercept form is of 3 types. First, if x-intercept and the slope is given. Let x-intercept of the line is D and the slope is M. Then equation of the line is given by y is equal to m times x minus d. Let's see example. Find the equation of a line having slope 4 and x-intercept 4 by 3. So by given, equation of line will be y is equal to m into x minus d. That is, m is slope, x minus d is 4 by 3. So we get, multiply both sides by 3, we get 3y is equal to 4, 3x minus 4. That is 3y minus 12x plus 16 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. We can again find this equation with the help of whatever we have done earlier by taking slope is equal to 4, and since x-intercept is 4 by 3, that means this line is passing through the point. Since it is x-intercept, so y coordinate will be 0, 4 by 3, 0. And we can apply the slope point form. That is, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. See, we have reached at the same point. Y is equal to 4 times x minus 4 by 3. So, we can choose any way to do this question. Next is when y-intercept and the slope are given. Let y-intercept of a line is c and slope is m. Then equation of the line is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Let's see example. Equation of a line having slope 4. So m is 4 and y-intercept is 4 by 3. So c is 4 by 3. Then equation we know is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Multiply both sides by 3, we get 3y is equal to 12x plus 4, or 12x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Other way we can find, given that m is equal to 4 and y-intercept is 4 by 3. That means the line is passing through the point 0, 4 by 3. And we can apply slope point form. That is, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. That is, y minus 4 by 3 equal to 4x. So we get this, y is equal to 4x plus 4 by 3, which is same as this. So we are going to get the same equation using any of the formula. Now next is example when tan theta is given. Theta is the angle of inclination, that is the angle of the line with the positive direction of x-axis. then we know that if tan theta is 1 by 2, slope is nothing but tangent of theta, that is 1 by 2. Slope is given, y-intercept, that means c, is given. So equation of line will be y is equal to mx plus c. Multiply by 2, 2y is equal to x minus 3, or x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of this line. Now next form is when both the intercepts are given. Y-intercept is c and x-intercept is d. Then the equation of line is given by x upon x-intercept d plus y upon y-intercept c equal to 1. Let's see example. Find the equation of line having x-intercept minus 3 and y-intercept 2. So equation of line, in this case we know that x upon x-intercept plus y upon y-intercept equal to 1. So that is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 6, or 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. We can do it in alternate way also, that is x-intercept is minus 3 and y-intercept is 2. That means it is passing through minus 3, 0 and 0, 2. Now we can apply the 2-point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 3, or 3y minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0, or 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, which is the same as found here. So we can take any of the methods. So in brief, we can say that if you know the point slope form, we can do any of the forms. That's all for now. In the next lecture, we will be doing normal form of equation of line. Thank you and have a nice day.